मैंने दराज से शिजी की LEDs ऑर्डर की थी, स्ट्रिप लाइट्स जो होती हैं, जो पीछे बैकग्राउंड में आपको नज़र भी आ रही होंगी। मैंने ये ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल कर लिए, लेकिन एक इशू है। मैंने सुना था कि ये लाइट्स 500 रुपये या 550 रुपये के अराउंड आती हैं, और मैंने ये मंगवाई हैं जिस जगह से, उस सेलर से 1530 रुपये की पड़ी हैं। इसकी क्वालिटी देख के मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट हो रहा है। अनबॉक्सिंग करते करते साथ में आपको इसकी क्वालिटी के बारे में भी बताऊँगा, तो देन यू वुड बी एबल टू जज बेटर कि ये वर्थ है 1500 रुपये की या नहीं है। चलो अनबॉक्सिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं।
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people, this is city. I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every break. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. Oh, you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ike's place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine.
I never really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I roam till I find that. But I'm full of adventure, so I wander and I venture, and it's safe to say that really I don't mind that. I book a flight to try to figure where my mind's at, a spot where I don't spend no money, just some time at. I mix and mingle with the people till I learn a little. I brought some weed and baby, maybe we could burn a little. She said you're funny, I said no, I'm Xavier, then I left. Sun shining, birds chirping, let me take a breath. I'm headed to the city where my chance to make it best. What people like to give a little, then you take the rest. I'm hoping